It's new truck day! Whoop whoop! I'm so excited for this. What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are returning back to the channel, then you'll know that we had another one of these days on the channel. About 2, maybe 3 months ago, we had my new truck day. We bought the truck that we're currently driving in now, which is my tow truck, a 2020 F-350 Platinum, single rear wheel drive F-350. So today we are going to pick up, I've already given over my 2018 Chevy. We had a camping trip last week where Wednesday, on my way down to St. George, we just dropped off the old Chevy because they told us that the new Chevy was going to be ready on the way back, and we were just going to pick it up on the way back. Well, it's a day later than we thought it was going to be. We ended up coming home yesterday because of the weather. We didn't really want to be towing. Ironically, we didn't really want to be towing my fifth wheel camper in the snow, so now we're going to be towing my truck on a gooseneck in the snow. So it is snowing here in Utah, currently 32 degrees, so nothing's really sticking on the ground. More of just a pain to tow in bad weather. If you have anything happen, if you got to pull over on the side of the road, not only are you on the freeway, but now you're on the freeway and it's raining slash snowing. It's snowing, and then by the time it hits the ground, it turns into water. So whatever you want to call that. For today's video, my buddy Josh, shout out to you for letting me use your gooseneck trailer. We are going to be picking that up from his uncle's house in Ogden, and then we're going to be headed to Salt Lake. So we're going to have about 30 minutes of driving with just an empty trailer, and then we'll pick up the truck. It's already licensed, it's already registered, it's already ready to go. So I will show you guys what truck that we bought, but you're going to have to wait for, well, this drive's going to take me about 40 minutes, considering that I got to stop and pick up the trailer. So let's just go ahead and load up the trailer real fast, and then we'll head over and get the truck. Alrighty, so the trusty steed made us back. If you're not following me on Instagram or subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that right now. We're here to pick up the trailer. Looks like they have a Ford of their own out here too, but we're going to go ahead and get this hooked up. So I've got this done. Hurry and get our bed cover flipped back. All right, bed cover all rolled up, step put in. Let's go ahead and back it up. We are using a B&W ball hitch here. We do have the OEM prep package, so that thing just slides in there real nice and easy, as well as the chain. Right, go ahead and flip that camera to the back camera so that we can see in our bed there. So I'll just show you guys real fast while we turn what this big trailer behind us looks like. So nothing crazy, nothing too big, just a little 30-footer goose wheel with a dove neck. I mean, goose tail with a dove nose. I mean, gooseneck with a dovetail. All right, so gonna go ahead and hop on the freeway here. It's a little pull. Again, empty trailer, so we're probably only about 4,500 pounds, nothing crazy. So this trailer pulls actually really well. It is the ultra wide deck, so you know, driving through Utah construction in snow is a little sketchy. Not only that, you can't see out my rear view mirrors or my side view mirrors that see to the back. You can't see out of them at all. If you are planning to go with 14 wides and you're debating 12 wides, I would definitely recommend 12 wides as far as functionality goes. They look nice. They also throw up every bit of salt, rain, snow, mud, rock, everything on your truck. So if you're looking for a more practical wheel and tire, do a 12 wide. I probably should have gone 24 by 12s, but you need a little bit of Stancy Nancy sometimes. Am I right? Can I get a hell yeah? Alright, we're gonna go ahead and see if we can maneuver our way into this stop here. So we're gonna whip this gooseneck around, line up with this pump right here, and we will be good to go. Check out what we just turned into here. So turned out from the outside lane, came in, made that sharp little turn, and this close, and the joys of 14 wides. Yum. Fam, so we made it here with the truck and trailer. Funny thing is, my office is right here in the top of this Jimmy John's, but you can see the back of my truck right there. I'll hurry and hit the unlock. You can see it right there. It's that white Chevy 2021 Trail Boss Edition. Oh man, I am so excited for this. They already gave us the keys. It looks like we do have remote start and an automatic tailgate. 2021 Chevy 1500. Oh man, super excited to get the new work truck. Here we are, 2021 Chevy 1500 Trail Boss. Look how they did that rear design. That is cool right there, how the light is just integrated into the truck. Super cool. We don't have the nasty, ugly mirrors. Z71 package, blacked out front end. Does come with a bed cover. Let's go ahead and see this thing inside for the first time, first look. Ooh, boy, we got the USB-C charger, USB-B. We got a 12 volt accessory here. We do even have trailer brakes on this one. We are upgrading, boys. Here we go. My, oh my. Let's see, on this thing, I think we have, it says 1 engine hour with 17 miles, which it was delivered here to the office. So it does look like we do have the original window sticker here. Total vehicle price, $49,045. 2021 Silverado Crew Custom Trail Boss Edition, 4-wheel drive. Oh man, this thing is not like fully loaded, like it's still got the cloth interior, it doesn't have a sunroof, but man, this thing has got quite a bit of options. But it's just crazy how much bigger the inside of this one feels like versus my 2018. The dash, it looks like, is pushed back a little more. This is brought forward a little more, so it makes this whole area look a little bit bolder, but just makes me feel like I have so much more room. Just so much more room. I'm already just enjoying this thing way more than my last truck. Man, this thing is cool. Let's go ahead, get this thing loaded up on the trailer, and let's get headed back home. I am super excited to pick up my new truck, and I can't wait to see what it looks like on the back of my F-350. Let's go ahead and load it up. Man, what an awesome person letting me over. I love nice people like that, especially down in this Salt Lake City traffic. So now that we've got the truck and trailer loaded up, let's go ahead and hop on the freeway and see how this baddie pulls. What do you say? Show you guys an acceleration here. Getting on the freeway. Again, can't really see anything out of my side view mirrors. But towing really well, getting about 10-ish miles to the gallon with that gooseneck on the back, with the truck on there. So not horrible. We do have our automatic engine brake on right here, of course, because, you know, who really wants to let off the fuel and be pushed down the hill by a load that's behind you? So we have that obviously turned on. We do have tow haul turned on. It just stopped snowing as I got here. It looks like my windshield is getting a little foggy, so I'm gonna go ahead and clear that up. But anyway, yeah, just towing really, really well. I wish I had my tuner on already so that I could show you guys like your EGTs and things like that while towing, but yeah, I mean, really, what do you expect, you know, towing 10,000 pounds with a 2020 1-ton diesel? I mean, really, you do expect everything to go perfect. We do have 3,500 miles on the truck, so not a whole lot. Only ever put DEF in this truck once so far, so new trucks really are just incredible, honestly. You can't really go wrong buying any of these new vehicles. I mean, you kind of just gotta find what suits your fancy and then kind of pick it and go with it. So for me, that was a 2020 Ford. I already knew this 2021 Chevy was coming. I did look at a couple Chevys. I did look at a couple Dodges. Ford had the highest tow rating capacity for the single rear wheel drive. And this truck is the 11,500 payload package, not payload package, gross vehicle weight rating package. So it does have the higher payload. Sorry, I mixed that up there. But anyway, yeah, just towing really, really well. I don't know exactly how much we're squatting. I didn't measure before and I didn't measure after. I know I failed. But I do have some airlift 7500 XL bags coming on the way, as well as a wireless one controller. So can't wait to bring that to the channel for you guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe on it so you don't miss out on any future content. We're gonna hit the cat scale and we're gonna see exactly what this load weighs, because I'm curious. Okay, so this cat scale is actually pretty cool. You can pull up, you put in your location number, you can download the app on your phone. It's called Weigh My Truck or Cat Scale. Fee is $12 at this location. You can hit accept, and let's see what we get for our weight. All right, so it looks like we are 20,300 pounds. Steer axle 4920, drive axle 5900, trailer axle 9480. Printed ticket will be available for pickup in 1 hour. We don't need a printed ticket. We're just gonna go ahead and screenshot that. 20,300 pounds. So 20,000 pound load in a 2020 F-350 is pulling just great. Let's go ahead and hop back on the freeway in this beautiful snowstorm. Coming up, you guys can't really see this yet, but we are coming up on another massive pull right here. This one's about a mile long. Super steep incline though. Super steep incline. We're about to hit the peak in the canyon here soon, so hopefully the weather doesn't get too much worse than this. I mean, it's already, it's not horrible, but it's not great. I mean, can't see behind us on that side. So I am having to look to the back window to see when I can get over. It looks like we're good to go now. You can see this, we're coming up this grade right now. It's gonna get a little bit steeper. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna try to hold this one out at 65 though. So we've got our downshift from 10th to 8th there. Again, we are in tow mode. We do have our exhaust brake on. This grade really well. Actually gaining a little bit of speed. Looks like we just got up to 70, 30 psi. Again, stock tunes, stock everything truck except for wheels, lift, suspension, and paint match. So nothing done performance wise. Still pulling that grade. It's really well, just over 65 miles an hour. Doing really, really well. Coming up on a semi here. We're gonna have to pass, get over, check our blind spots. We're good to go. downshifted to 7th now. Grade's getting a little steeper. Snow is getting a little worse here. I'm gonna go ahead and switch lanes over back into the slow lane. We've got the snow plows out over there. Got the camera doing a time lapse over here on the dash, little GoPro mount I put right there. Sorry about the video quality. I've been paying more attention to the road than the video, so I hope this turns out fairly decent. Getting to the top of this grade now. We are still at 65 in that 7th gear. All the way up to the top. Still just doing really well. Really well. Fuel mileage is probably not doing the best right now it's ever seen, but you know, we're probably getting about 7, if that, headed up this hill. And there's the top of the grade right there. Now it's about to start going back downhill. I'll show you guys with that engine brake on. So pretty much when you let off with the engine brake on auto, it's not going to immediately start to slow you down. So you'll see right here, I'll let off and we'll lose a little bit of speed there. I'm going to go ahead and tap that brake though. I'm going to go ahead and tap that brake and show you just how that engine brake works. So it's slowing us down just a little bit. We are currently headed, I mean, I wish you could tell how steep this grade is. You know, but I mean, obviously videos aren't going to do much justice, but it's slowing us down, you know, really well. Floors are dirty, but we've got no brakes on right now. It's still sitting at about 60 miles an hour, just under 2,000 RPMs. Truck and trailer obviously is still there behind us, but pushing us down this hill. I mean, just the technology in new trucks is just incredible. That engine brake is just super awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my foot on the throttle now, go ahead and get that exhaust brake off and build some speed. Now I'll go ahead and let off. You'll see it hold us there again. Still going downhill. See it hold, now it's starting to slow down a little, we're getting in the water. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys how it towed through the canyon. I actually went out of the way to go through the canyon, so don't forget to hit that like button because I'm doing this video solely for you guys. Well, and after all of that and that trip home, we finally made it back home. Alrighty guys, so since it is dark and we just got home, I am gonna wait to do the reveal of this truck. I will post another video showing you guys everything options wise and everything about this truck. But that's kind of all for today's video. So if you like today's video, don't forget to smash that like button, don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe because we're gonna be bringing more content, especially with 2 brand new trucks and another one on the way at the beginning of March. We're gonna have great content for you guys, and we will see you on the next one. Peace out.